I'm sure you've heard the news. RV life is the ultimate family adventure. And the 2022 Winnebago Vista 32M is here to make it unforgettable. Let's talk power. This beauty rides on a Ford F53 chassis with a robust V8 7.3L 350 HP engine. Imagine cruising with the confidence of 350 horses under the hood. Room for everyone? Absolutely. The Vista 32M sleeps up to 8. Plus, with 2 slide-outs, you'll have all the space you need. A king-size bed, a booth dinette, and a studio loft bed will give you all the comforts of home. From a full kitchen, microwave, fridge, stove, to safety features like CO and smoke detectors, it's all here. Outside, enjoy the awning, exterior speakers, and even an outdoor entertainment center. Ready to roll? Head to Dave's RV Center in Danbury, CT, and discover the ultimate family RV adventure with the 2022 Winnebago Vista 32M. Let's hit the road.